Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva to create affiliate-ready thumbnails and banners. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly.
Open Canva and sign in to your account. On the homepage, use the search bar to type YouTube thumbnail or banner. Select your preferred template size from the suggestions. Browse through the available templates until you find one that suits your style. Click on the chosen template to open it in the editor. To customize, use the text boxes to add your title or message. Highlight the text and use the toolbar to adjust the font, size, and color. Consider adding your affiliate information, such as a website link or product name. To insert images, click on the Elements tab on the left panel. Use the search feature to find relevant graphics or images related to your affiliate products. Drag and drop your selected images into the template. Adjust their size and position to create a balanced look. To change the background, click on the background area and choose a new color or pattern. Utilize the Uploads tab if you want to add your own images or logos. Click Upload Media to insert images from your device. Once your design is complete, review it for clarity and appeal. To download, click on the Share button in the upper right corner. Select Download and choose the file format you prefer, typically PNG or JPEG. Ensure to check the quality settings before downloading. After downloading, you can now use your thumbnail or banner across your platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.